Guys, welcome to my food channel. Not excusing, my name is Kadi. The channel is about cooking, kitchen etiquette and equipment, guys. This is the Philips Senseo coffee maker. I'm going to be using it for the first time. I watched several videos just to be able to use it. So I just wanted to share with you my first coffee experience using a coffee machine. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is Philips Senseo. This is like where you used to open it, and that's the layer where you put the coffee. Okay, so you make sure you look into it. That's where the water will sieve through. And this is the power cable that you plug to the socket. That is the button, and that's the power button. So this is the side view of it. That is the water tank. You need to fill in the water tank and make sure it's in between. It's not in a mini. Okay, it's not in low level. Okay, so first of all, I'll just go ahead to fill the bottle. So to do this, you have to close the lid. When you close the lid, you go ahead to press the button by the side to be able to bring out the water tank. Okay, and you can see this is the water tank, and currently the water tank is a bit empty. See, it's MIN. So I'm just going to fill it to make sure it gets to the middle. Okay, so once I fill this, I will then go ahead to put it back into the coffee maker. Okay, the coffee machine. So look at that hole, make sure it enters into that hole, and then once it enters into the hole, you go ahead to press it in and make sure it clips in place. Okay, so once this is done, you go ahead to turn it. So after turning this, I'll now go to the next step. So this is the next step. We have our coffee, and we're just going to make sure to put the coffee in and then plug the power, or you can plug the power first. After plugging the power like this, then you go ahead to start the next process of preparing your coffee. So this is the coffee I'm using. It's a coffee bag. Okay, it's a classic coffee bag. So this is how it looks like. I go ahead to put it into the coffee machine. Okay, so yes, once I put it in, it will look like this, and once it looks like this, we go ahead to close it. Okay, so make sure you close every lid, like this one on top. Let me put my cup first. So after putting my cup, I close the lid, and once I close the lid, I press the on button. That's the power button. Okay, once I press the power button, the water will start coming up. Okay, I pressed these two. At this point, I was a bit confused of what to do next, but I noticed that the water started coming out and it was hot, and all of a sudden there was a leakage. I didn't know what to do next, but I was like, okay, let me see how it works. If it doesn't stop, I'll go ahead to stop it, and on it again, which I kind of did. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks like. You can see that the water is hot and the coffee is already thick. So I just turned it on and off again, and then the water stops leaking, and voila, guys, I love how the foam is looking. It's looking like straight out of the movies, guys. Okay, so this is the outcome of it. It's pumping in and it's full, and I'm just excited because this is a new experience and I want to try it. Voila, guys, you can see that it is filled to the brim and the coffee is ready, guys. So I just go ahead to stir, add some sugar because I know it's really bitter, and here we have it, guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye, guys.